Assalamualaikum and good day to Dr. Rashdan and my fellow classmates. We are Group 13 and today we will present our strategic audit of PHARMANIAGA Berhad. So these our team members: Narissa Zolhasri 272228, Nazatul Najihah Azmi 272409, Ain Syafiqa Ridzuan 275350, Kinanti Difa Trevina 283975, Putri Anandra Charissima 283976.
PHARMANIAGA Berhad was founded on 1994. The company is listed in Bursa Malaysia and the nature of the business is on pharmaceutical business. It is pleased to be Malaysia's largest integrated pharmaceutical company. They work across the pharmaceutical value chain, from research and development to the production of generic medication, logistics and distributions, sales and marketing, and retail pharmacy. Next, the company motto is patient for patient, which strive and give full commitment of efficiency and effectiveness, especially on quality to their client. Beside that, the business manufactures and distribute pharmaceutical and medical product in Indonesia.
My name is Putri and Charissima with metric number 283976. I will explain about the issues of PHARMANIAGA company. First, net profit has been declining for almost 5 years. Since 2014, net profit has been declining, falling 21.6% year-on-year to Rm 43.2 million in 2018. Farsila Emran, the managing director, blamed that the significant decline in the net profit since 2015 in PHARMANIAGA's responsibility to create a pharmacy hospital information system as part of a concession operation. They completed the system in 2016, which cost PHARMANIAGA more than Rm 300 million and had impact on their net profit. The system has been provided to the government and consists of a database containing patient data that can be accessed by various government hospitals and clinics. PHARMANIAGA's operation exposes it to the several financial risks, including market risks, includes foreign currency exchange risk and cash flow interest rate risk, and then credit risk and liquidity risk. The comprehensive risk management program of PHARMANIAGA focuses on the uncertainty of financial markets and aims to minimize potential negative effects on PHARMANIAGA's financial performance. Next is supply chain disruption. According to the most recent year, the world has been struck by the pandemic of COVID-19, which contributes to giving the negative influence toward giving negative impacts toward manufacturing, supply chain, and the cost. In the year that epidemic struck, restrictions were placed on the resources that we imported from other countries like China, the United States, and Japan. This restriction had an effect not only on Malaysia but also on other countries. Suppliers from Malaysia almost must stop to production due to the outbreak. Luckily, the health industry is not given too strict by the government.
So the above maps is the location of PHARMANIAGA manufacturing. 2 are in northern Malaysia, while the other 3 in the southern Malaysia. PHARMANIAGA also enter Indonesia market by having 1 branch in Bandung, Indonesia. So this is the board of director of PHARMANIAGA. The board is led by the chairman of PHARMANIAGA, which is Datuk Seri Zainal Abidin Muhammad Rafiq. The board of director govern the corporation and is composed of both independent and non-independent directors, while the list of the top management led by Group Managing Director Datuk Zulkarnain Mat Yusof. So next, we will proceed with the vision and mission. So the vision of PHARMANIAGA is to be the preferred pharmaceutical brand in the regional market, while the mission to provide quality product and superior services by professional, committed and caring employee.
Next, we proceed with SWOT analysis. So the first one is PHARMANIAGA strength. PHARMANIAGA is one of the most influential companies in Malaysia that has established a strong reputation in the provision of quality products and services in the healthcare industry. Apart from being a strong leader in the Malaysian market, PHARMANIAGA is also growing in the global market. So the second one, PHARMANIAGA has met world-class halal-compliant manufacturing plants consisting of 6 factories throughout Malaysia and 1 in Indonesia, and also successfully registered a total of 184 halal-certified products guided by PHARMANIAGA's 10-year strategic development. So the third one is PHARMANIAGA has a highly skilled workforce and experts. They have employee capability development plan is to develop employee skills by providing skilled personnel so that they can contribute to successfully implement the business strategy. So the fourth one, PHARMANIAGA has expanded their distribution nationwide and established a manufacturing site in Bandung, Indonesia, which is an alliance logistic and distribution company with 33 branches throughout the Republic that manufacture various generic pharmaceutical products. Next, for the weaknesses, PHARMANIAGA is an industry that has higher operation and maintenance costs because they use expensive equipment, machines, expert facilities, and also materials to operate. Second, due to the coronavirus outbreak, PHARMANIAGA was affected and faced a shortage of pharmaceutical products due to shortage of raw material, manpowers, and also bottlenecks from suppliers. Next, we proceed with opportunity. So the first one, PHARMANIAGA has spent a huge amount of money to develop research and development to determine and plan a good approach for planning in the future. Second, PHARMANIAGA manufacturing plant has supported the local and national economy and can help families in Malaysia as well in Indonesia to prosper financially and can reduce the issues of unemployment in the country. So the third one, PHARMANIAGA has a very good logistic and distribution system even if they need to deliver their product to the whole Malaysia and export to the Indonesia. They have optimized their time wisely together with their distribution chain. For the last one is PHARMANIAGA threats. As a manufacturer of pharmaceuticals, PHARMANIAGA acknowledge that environmental sustainability is a threat for a company because they need to minimize their impact towards the environment with a very strict compliance. Second, PHARMANIAGA has a greater risk of being exposed to cybercrime such as disruption of criminal operations, exposure and loss of sensitive information, and company image will be damaged due to the cyber attacks. So the third one, PHARMANIAGA takes serious potential legal liability because legal and regulatory risks will implement rules and product liability that can be reduced to operation. If mitigation planning is not done properly, legal liability will have a significant impact on PHARMANIAGA's reputation and may undermine investor confidence in the business itself.
Next is the TAUS matrix. The TAU matrix is an acronym for threat, opportunity, weaknesses, and strength. The matrix is a variation on the SWOT analysis and it seeks to address criticism of the SWOT analysis regarding its inability to show the relationship between the various categories. Next is strength and opportunity. The first one is to have world-class halal compliant manufacturing plants and O2 manufacturing. So S2 plus O2 have a quality in terms of manufacturing process that meets customer needs and customer segment. The second one is S4, nationwide distribution and alliance with other country, and O3, logistic and distribution. So S4 plus O3 is managed to provide the product globally. Next, weaknesses and opportunity. W1, higher operation and maintenance costs. O2, manufacturing. W1 plus O2, with the highest of cost of maintenance and operation, PHARMANIAGA can improve the manufacturing quality. Next is strength and threat. S3, have highly skilled workforce and expert. T3, legal and regulatory risk. So S3 plus T3, with the expertise of the worker, they can cater to all the upcoming potential risks. Next, weaknesses and threat. W2, limited supply of product, and T1, environmental sustainable risk. W2 plus T1, remove the risk by taking lower supply.
Recommendation. First, R&D development. A functional level strategy is a daily strategy established to in the implementation of corporate business level strategy. Typically, corporate level management provides guidance for drafting a functional level plan. It is intimately related to tactical decisions, which are decisions taken at the operational level. For product development in line with market demand, PHARMANIAGA must be more innovative and sensitive to global or domestic consumer trends, maintaining and improving health-related items. For example, collaboration with a doctor or other medical official can entice buyer while also creating a healthy customer needs. However, R&D is required on a regular basis to ensure the product, promotion, production methods, and so on are always in sync with market demand. Second, cost leadership strategy. PHARMANIAGA employing this strategy will combine low profit margin per unit with large sales volume to maximize profit. Companies will seek the best alternative in manufacturing a good or offering a service and advertise this value proposition to make it impossible for competitors to replicate. It is essential in order for PHARMANIAGA to success. Whether it's by ensuring higher margins, attracting more customers, or achieving greater brand loyalty among existing customers, higher margins, a better growth profile, and lower customer churn tend to be also very popular among both investor and creditor, making capital more readily available for PHARMANIAGA that are able to maintain a strong competitive advantage among their peers. Third, advancing sustainability strategy. At PHARMANIAGA, all employees are committed to offering top-notch goods and services that have helped them establish a solid reputation in the industry. They can maintain low production costs and enjoy higher return on investment with high-quality goods and services by using advanced technology and ongoing innovation, with technology and ongoing process implementation to enhance their offering and operational effectiveness, ultimately aiming to raise the caliber of their goods and services.